Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set up passkeys on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead and access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Make sure it's updated and you're logged in with the correct account. Now right over here, tap on this three dot on top right, tap on settings. Now tap on this option of account on top, and you will find the passkeys option in the below security information. And again, you have to make sure that your app is updated. If it's not updated, then you might not be able to access the particular option right over there. Now afterwards, tap on option of create a passkey. Now tap on this continue option, and you can see create passkey for WhatsApp and save it Google Password Manager. So you can see once you have saved it, again, if you read it correctly, your screen lock will be used to encrypt your data, etc. Now once you have created, you can simply go ahead and use that for you to sign in for your WhatsApp accordingly. That is the simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.